Hello, Southside Giants. Today we're going to walk through the process for you to log in to Microsoft Office and to Schoology. Schoology is where you will be able to access all of your assignments and resources that your teachers are providing for your daily lessons. So the first thing is you're going to go to portal.office.com, and then you will log in. It's important to note that all of your email addresses are yesstudentsplural.org. You'll enter your password. And then this will log you into Microsoft Office. So you have access to the full suite, which means that you have your email, you have your OneDrive for you to save your files, any documents, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of the above. Once you've logged in here, you can open a second tab and type yesprep.schoology.com, and it will automatically log you in. As long as you are logged into Microsoft Office, you should automatically be logged in to Schoology. Under courses is where you would access your any of your classes. This will become live next week whenever we start school on the 24th. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.